This week, you will make your first impressions to future buyers and appraisers. The entryway and living room, including any new powder rooms depending on what you did last week. Each team will have just 1 week to complete your spaces.
All right, Mitch. I'm telling you, I cannot get over this whole foyer entrance.
Can't get enough of it. We're losing 30% of our view here because of the wall right there. I think that's got to be one big door. You know, the better the view, the better the value on the home, if you ask me.
So when you walk in, you see the beautiful chandelier.
Yeah, maybe we could do something with this ceiling up here. What do you think? Maybe some cedar or something like that.
These basic French doors go away.
Then we've got all that glass and you can just see as far as the eye can see out there.
So we know we need a fireplace, floor to ceiling.
We've got to fit that full bathroom now into our fireplace, our library, our doors, and our chandelier.
That's about 30,000.
Then with our 85 from the kitchen,
yeah,
that puts us at 115.
Close to that.
250.
Half of our budget already.
We're going for the wow factor.
Well, we have to have it.
Yeah.
No risk, no reward.
Right. First impression.
I love the views.
Fantastic, right? So that means we don't have to work that hard. Coming off of the kitchen, I think we're motivated. We want to paint this entire space with one beautiful fashion stroke. What we did in dining and kitchen will continue over in the living and the foyer. We want to create a narrative from the second you walk into that front door all the way through the house, and it doesn't have to cost a lot of money. You just got to know where to place that money. But maybe we could use something else from Colorado. It's called beetle kill wood. Comes in like tongue and groove, so it'll fit together and go all the way across. That would be crazy.
Agreed. And what about accordion doors and herringbone floor?
Absolutely. That focus would be our fireplace. How about porcelain going across the whole wall? What we're doing for $20,000 would cost any other team $60,000. Using porcelain like we did in the kitchen gets a gorgeous marble-like look at almost half the price. Keep coming.
Oh, this don't feel.
Let it go.
I can't.
Let it go.
What if something happens to you? I can't do this house by myself.
The great room.
This is a fantastic room. I think the minute you open that door, you want guests to say, wow.
Is there a way that we incorporate it all in this one space? I agree with you, I want to see a fireplace, but I want to sit and I want to look at the fire and I still want to see the mountains.
And right now that post blocks the view. So a double-sided fireplace, if we put it at the right height, you're gonna look right through it.
Most people would, as you said, configure everything facing this way, but I don't want to do that.
So what are you thinking? Push those doors, two-sided fireplace. You can sit here, enjoy that view.
I like it, and since we did stone in the kitchen, let's tie it into the living room. Maybe we run stone along this wall, down the stairwell, and let's see about extending this wall, covering the hallway to provide a little more privacy.
We've got $35,000 in the budget for this area, which is a lot of money.
But we are adding an additional powder room and a massive stone wall feature, which will add thousands of dollars worth of value in the appraisal and hopefully get us the win we need.
That's one door down, we got 3 to go.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
A lot of white, a lot of height.
It's just a whole lot of space. It's been driving me crazy. I think let's add a fireplace here. And then what if we did it dark brick? Like that adds texture, it adds warmth, that adds a little bit of age. So we have like 2 trusses in the middle, brings the ceiling down, but it's still lofty. And maybe we take out these French doors and put a whole new accordion door.
I think we need to keep this somewhere around $25,000.
I think that's a good use of money.
All right.
Time to get to work?
Let's go to work.
Yes!
It might seem a little risky to add all of this wall space just to dedicate to books, but it doesn't hurt to be a little specific to make your house stand out a little bit more.
This is just our overcompensating a little bit mountain modern fireplace.
That's okay.
The showstopper in our living room will be this linear fireplace covered in porcelain.
Listen, we've already used it in the kitchen, proving that you can make something fabulous without using all your money.
What do you think?
I think it'll be good. If we can move them out and still of the
We
view.
can. We get that full span header, so we're good to go. We can do whatever we want.
Amazing.
Amazing. We're moving the 2 French doors to make room for this beautiful double-sided fireplace. So the new owners can sit on the couch, watch the fire, and enjoy that beautiful view of the mountains.
Yeah, we're connecting the inside to the outside.
The judges will be here in a couple of hours. We're literally down to the wire.
It's tough to get back-to-back wins, but we feel good about our chances.
We definitely got this.
We took some big risks this week, not only adding this massive stone feature wall, but also including an additional powder room. So we really hope the judges like it.
Why can't anything be easy?
I'm a little nervous.
You nervous?
Yeah, we don't have a lot of time. The clock is not on our side.
Well, hello there, Jenn Todryk and Mina Starsiak-Hawk. Welcome to the block.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'm so happy to be here. I'm so pumped.
Welcome.
This is beautiful.
Thank you.
It's a good start. This is a good start.
Tell us about your space.
Our real goal is to take advantage of where we are. We have this incredible lake and mountain view. We didn't want to draw your eyes to a wall.
But my eyes did go to that wall.
We closed it in so that you could bring the stone all the way through and then carrying it downstairs to the lower level.
This home is beautiful. I love it.
We have 3 more spaces to see.
All right, thank you both. Enjoy.
Have
Good luck.
fun.
Good luck, guys.
Every minute that we're waiting, it makes it worse.
Come ring the doorbell and get in here.
Hi,
guys.
This is beautiful.
It smells lovely.
Is that? We have music playing?
We want you to feel like home the minute you walk in the door.
I like that you went with a warmer color.
2 more to see.
Thank you for sharing.
Good luck, guys. Good luck.
Enjoy your time in
Good luck.
Colorado.
Okay, so here we go again.
Hey. Hello, Mina.
Welcome to our home. Welcome to Mountain Modern.
Oh. Yeah. Awesome.
You guys went big with the fireplace.
The fireplace is so beautiful.
It's just a little linear fireplace encased in porcelain.
That is really cool. And look how the little reading nook, that's adorable.
Yeah, I have a very large dog. This will end up being his bed.
I hadn't thought about that, but I can see it happening.
All right, we've got one more.
All right.
Thanks for hanging out with us.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you, Mina.
Oh, you're
and
the only one
Jenn.
that opened the door for us?
Yeah.
Good luck.
A little nervous excitement. My heart is beating a little extra fast right now. Hey, hey,
Hey.
welcome to Alpine Chic.
Oh my, I'm in love.
This is beautiful. Yes.
Y'all don't understand, built-ins and bookshelves are my thing. You put a ladder on it,
So you know what that makes it now? It's our library.
I love it.
What is it?
It's porcelain.
Really beautiful. And then the ceiling warms it up.
This is real cedar, by the way. Little value add there.
Yeah. I'm just a sucker for big, nice lighting that forces you to look, and there's nothing here.
Well, Jenn,
Okay, tell me.
turn here. This is why.
I know, you got the view.
Right?
You're
I mean,
right.
this is
It's
like,
hard to argue that.
There's the whole Rocky Mountain there, which is why we took out the French doors, which, by the way,
I love that.
is an accordion bifold.
Love it.
It's tough. They all have really, really cool elements. Each one does.
It's tough because everyone did what they thought was best, and we're now saying, no, yours is the best.
Yeah.
Why don't we start with Brian and Sarah? What were your top takeaways of their space?
The stone wall when I walked in was a huge impression. It was cool. I felt like I was in Colorado. You got the view, you got the stone. It was beautiful.
I need to see the stone wall.
We don't like to leave things alone.
The biggest thing for us was the question mark around the placement of the fireplace. People are paying for these views, and while you can get your peaks, it wasn't as expansive as some of the other homes.
Let's talk about your next space you saw, John and Christina's.
It was very different. I loved the accordion door. I loved that you had the whole expansive view, and your fireplace was on the inside wall, so it let you keep that view, which I think was
Yes.
a big selling point.
You had a ton of texture and variety. When you walked in, you had the warm wood floors, you had super dark beams, you had the black painted fireplace. There were so many pops, and it was really fun and interesting to look at.
Let's talk about our third space, Michelle and Anthony's.
I loved that when you walked in, you felt like you were in this crisp, modern space. You
Yes.
got the view, you instantly looked up because it was dark and it was bold and it was a really good choice. I love how y'all thought about decor placement and how there was asymmetrical fireplace in the mantle. I loved that. I think it was very well thought out.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
I think your decor was beautiful, and I liked how you were creative with the daybed. That would be my dog's spot, and he would love it. He'd bask by the fire. I think the only thing that is potentially a challenge for you guys, you might have shrunk your buyer pool because your place is a very cool, sexy
I agree.
bachelor pad.
Yeah.
So now it's time to talk about your fourth and final house, Paige and Mitch.
I think your space was beautifully thought out. Your color palette and your style, it was very cohesive. I loved how you used the space on the side of the fireplace.
I'm a sucker for a built-in. It's also functional. I like the depth of pushing it backwards. You guys took that fireplace, you guys filled it to the fullest, the most, to where you were drawn to it naturally. I think it looks super high-end and sleek and modern, but a family could live there as well.
That's the goal.
Yeah, I do think you did a really good job at that.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
The winners of the Rock the Block living room and entry renovation are
Paige and Mitch.
Being winners this week, it definitely puffs our chests out a little bit more, but
This win is especially special because I dedicated Page Turner Library, to my mom.